Welcome to today's tutorial. In this video I will show you step by step how to back up your AOL emails safely to your computer. Backing up your AOL mailbox helps you avoid unexpected data loss, switch computers smoothly, and store important emails securely for future use. Having a backup means you're prepared and in control. There are two common ways to back up AOL emails. One is a manual approach. The other uses export tools or dedicated backup software. For the manual method, open Outlook and go to File, Add Account. Enter your AOL email and follow the setup instructions. After adding, restart Outlook. Go to File, Open and Export, Import Export. Select Export to a file, Outlook data file. Choose the folder and location, then click Finish. This manual method is free and easy, but it has limitations. The second method uses an AOL backup tool. Here are the steps. First, download the tool. Click Open Email Accounts, Add Accounts. Now, enter AOL email login details. Go to Export and select desired format. Browse the desired location and save the files. That's it. Automated tools are faster, more secure, and ideal for users who want flexibility in choosing different file formats like PDF, mailbox, EML, HTML, and more. Download the tool from the link given in the description box. Thank you for watching. I hope this tutorial helped you back up your AOL emails successfully. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more email backup and tech tutorials.